Hey guys, today we're just going to do a quick little video for you on the Bronco programming the Homelink. I know there's probably quite a few videos out there, but I figured we would do one here for you with a Chamberlain garage door opener with the learn button, so stick with us. Alright guys, first thing we're going to do is hold these two buttons down to clear any codes that might have been in there, and just hold that down until you see that little LED flash rapidly right there. So we'll let off now. So next thing we're going to do is going to need your original remote. We're going to select this first one as our opener, and we're going to push this one. See how it's flashing slowly now? And then we're going to hold this button down till it starts flashing rapidly. So if you see that flash there. So now we are going to go into the garage here. Into the garage, up here on our Chamberlain, there's a learn button. I'm gonna hit that learn button right there. It lights up the little LED. Now back to the car. Okay, now we're gonna hit this button once. And then you should see some lights flash on your garage door opener. We'll push it again, and boom. You can see that it is programmed. Garage door is going down. Just like that. And it's opening. So that is all there is to it, guys. So pretty quick and simple. Sometimes the owner's manual can be a little tricky to decipher, so seeing it actually done helps the process along. So thanks for tuning in. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe for more Bronco content. Have a good one.